Well, this is Scott, and hopefully this will be the first video of a few at least. I purchased a Joncutter G4500 from Farmer Tech. I got the 18-inch bar and their chain. I wanted to see how everything would work from there. For people that aren't familiar with Joncutter, it's a Zenoa clone from China. Priced really well. I think I paid, I don't know, a little over $100 with this thing, with the bar and chain shipped from China to the US. But I didn't do an unboxing video because there's a few of those out there already, but I kind of wanted to give you kind of a heads up of my first impressions, and as well as some of the things I'm gonna do, I guess. Some people, take these things and mod them and stuff like that, but I didn't measure the pinch or anything like that. I'm just going to break it in as they recommend. I'm using VP 40:1 and adding some Yama lube to it to get to the 25:1. I'll probably run that for a few tanks, and then I'll switch solely over to 40:1, and then I may actually go and try 50:1. I am doing this just to see, how well it's going to work. If it fails at some point, I'm not going to be disappointed or anything like that. I just wanted to see if these saws, how they'll run compared to my $600 550 XP. I will say that one thing I did do right off the get-go is get some of this sealant, fuel resistant gasket maker sealant, and some of the other videos out there had pointed out that this air filter is basically two-piece, and there's a seam obviously right where all the sealant is, but basically you'll suck debris in through the seam. They did put an O-ring, which I guess seals good, and if it doesn't seal well enough, people have actually been kind of taking down some of the stop here so that it tightens harder. But I did seal all the way around, so that the seal goes all the way around the two-piece air filter. So I'm letting that dry now. I'm not felling trees or anything like that. Just working out in the backyard. I might take down a few trees and cut up some firewood, but I'm basically just testing this to see if it will replace my old worn out 028 steel. It's from the late 70s, early 80s, and it's pretty tired, but I wanted to give this thing a chance. And as I use it and run into things, I will post more videos and keep everyone informed.